Here's my new used Toro mower that I'm going to get dirty today. After giving it a bath, it looked just like a new one. It's new to me anyway. This is the mulch lever up and down. Makes it really easy to take the bag off or just leave it on if you want to just mulch. Personal pace. It's also got this wash port. You can put your water hose in and start it up and wash the underneath. We'll give it a start here. I hadn't started this in a week. See how it does here. Here we go. Don't have to prime it. My new used lawnmower really did a great job cutting. It's got plenty of power. I took the bag off and just mulching. It's just that simple lever up and down to close that flap. And this is what the grass is looking like so far. I fertilized in early March. Today's the first day of spring. So I've done the back, and I'm going to go do the front with my new used Toro.